Today guys, we're going to the soccer field. Look, I have my socks ready, my shoes ready, and you know, where's Shukai? Where's Shukai? Where's Shukai? Yeah, he's there. Oh, I forgot, I have brand new soccer shoes. But this is a futsal. This is a futsal. This is not brand new, but this is the brand new one. Oh, I forgot that's not brand new, but this is the brand new one. Now guys, I'm just gonna show you something. Where is it, huh? Oh, my Hot Wheel. The series. This is my Hot Wheel. Bro, it's dripping.